Got another rattle toy. See what's going on inside of this. Okay, does that want to come out or no? Okay, I just want to come out. So, gotta make it come out. Job of the day. I got this gooseneck 8 lug. I was inspecting the plug. Heard some rattle toy in it, so taking it apart, see what I find. Blue wire is disconnected, but it looks like everything is connected. So this blue wire terminates. We got yellow to red. So red on this is going to be the brakes. It's all corroded. I'm going to change this plug out and put eyelets on the end of this. All right, I got my bouquet going. I'm going to put on the terminals. All right, I got marker lights on or running lights on. They're working. Top driver's side, bottom driver's side, front driver's side fender, rear driver's side fender. Rear is on. Left turn, I got left turn on. Right turn, I got right turn on. Back to marker lights. Outside one's not working on that. I'll see if it's just the plug. Passenger side fender's on. Front fender looks like it's cracked, so it might be a bad light. All these are good. All right, let's check brakes. Front free spinning. Those bearings sound terrible. Rear free spinning. Brakes on. I got brakes on. But I think it's overloading something. At least I know the wiring's working. I'm gonna tear it apart, see what the magnets look like. This thing is so gnarly rusted on there that it won't come off the outer bearing. Just trying to give it light taps. I really wish I had a hub puller. May have to come back on this one. I don't have anything for it. That thing's not coming off. I'm a little hot. I'm gonna call it on this one. I'm a little overheated. So I'm gonna put tires and wheels back on. Tell the customer not to use this trailer because this thing needs, I think it needs brakes, and I'm gonna bring hubs next time I come out too. But I'll make a list. All his lights work, except for a couple of the marker lights, but those are okay. I can fix that. I got a new 7-way plug on here, but it definitely needs bearings and probably needs backing plates because the brake keeps overloading right when I hit it. So that'll be my next job when I come back.